first. We got this box from Quickpro. It should have the frame. What we got? We got the coup de grace. We'll get this first. And we got a frame. Check this out. It'll be something to hold it together. But there she is. Super nice. Wow. Nice. Okay, flip it down. Ceramics bottom bracket. All right. Oh, okay. Some stuff on it. Set that to the side. Wow. Ooh. What's these chrome screws? Wow. It's a bottle holder already. Okay. Nice. To find. This looks like it may be the fork. Seat post. Nice. No. So we had a bit of a power outage, so we got a couple things out of here. I got the fork, seat post. There's a goodie bag, sponge pads, tri-bars, through axle, stuff like that. And it came with, hold on, let me see here. It came with a mount for the Garmin here, but also, I guess this for if you want to put on a different bike. This seems like the handlebars for sure. Oh, carbon. Quickpro. Nice. Uh-oh. Yeah, I should open that first. Is this instruction book? Ooh. Gonna be some Google translating up in here, boy. Look at that. That's mostly it. And last thing last. Well, the goal is to put this bike together by myself, but honestly, nice. Went to the bike shop because I did not know. Don't have tires or tubes. I was wanting to do tubes, but I talked to the guys at the bike shop. I was like, the wheels came with stems, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go tubeless. Never did tubeless before, but we'll see. All right, got it. Well, what's neat about this, if you can see, there's some like grippy stuff on here. So I guess to mount it up, what I'll do is I won't put any carbon paste on it just to get it on the bike mount. Another cool thing, see the marks. All right. About one, should give me plenty of room. Got the brakes. L2. I believe. Okay, this must be the rear brake. Well, because it looked longer. This has got to be the front brake. Okay, we'll try feeding in this rear one first. All right, ran into a little bit of thing. Oops, there's a screw here. Okay, I had to pull out these instructions. So what I didn't realize was it comes with this adapter, and when you read it, is it the right way? It says 160 millimeter for the rear disc. Since I don't need it, I realize you can screw, hopefully, you can caliper in directly into here. So I'm gonna give that a shot. Got it. Hope it come out. You know better. Oh shit. Did not expect that to go all the way in there like that. Jesus Christ.